Hello everyone to the Núcleo do Saber channel. Today our lesson is about how to conjugate the verb to be. Many people they are facing problems with how to conjugate the verb to be, with how to form a sentence with the verb to be, with how to pronounce, and I'm here to help you, and I need you to speak English very well. Let's go get started. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And let's go starting to conjugate the verb to be. In the first person, I am, you are, and he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. I conjugated in the present simple or present indicative. I am is in the first person singular. First person singular. You are is the second person. He is third person. I am is in the first person singular. You are is in the second person singular. He is in the third person singular. She is third person singular. It is third person singular. And here we are is the first person plural. Okay, plural. Plural. You are is the second person plural. They are is the third person plural. Okay, here we conjugated in the plural. Okay, this is a plural. This is a plural. And here singular. Singular. Let's go starting to read, to understand, to pronouncing. We need to pronouncing very well. Okay, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, and they are. We, you, they are in the singular. No. Are they in the? They are in the plural. Okay, they are in the plural. I, you, he, she, it. They are in the singular. Okay, we conjugated the verb to be in the singular here, and here we conjugated in the plural. Okay, we are together, and I formed 3 sentences for you. Okay, 3 sentences in the indicative present. Okay, I am a teacher. Can you see where is the conjugated verb? Where is the conjugated verb here? The conjugated verb is here. Okay, this is the conjugated verb. We conjugated I am a teacher in a sentence. We formed a sentence with to be verb. Okay, and here he is a student. We conjugated the verb to be and we formed a sentence. Okay, we're together. And where is the verb here in this sentence? The verb is here. Okay, is in the 3rd person. Okay, in the 3rd person, he is a student. Repeat, he is a student. And here, this is the last phrase. They are friends. They are friends. Where is our verb conjugated? The verb conjugated is here. Are is the verb conjugated. And we formed a phrase. They are friends in the 3rd person plural. Okay, in the 3rd person plural. Please, if you enjoyed the video, share and comment and subscribe. Okay, I will see you in another video. Thank you. Goodbye.